1 tablespoon of chopped onion, half a cup of chopped dill pickle, half teaspoon lemon juice, one-fourth teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon sugar, half tablespoon of dill, half a cup of mayo, Now, if you want to do it totally like I'm going to do mine, I will be adding me a fourth of this habanero, but I will wait till the family get them a couple of scoops out first. But until then, we're going to put this in a storage tight container and store it into the fridge. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my tartar sauce. Your fish will like it.